Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're gonna take the badges off of my Indian Scout. We're gonna put on new tank decals, all while listening to some badass metal out of Portland, Oregon. Stick around. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and debadge the Scout. I've already done the left side. I'm just gonna show you how to do the right side. We're gonna use some fishing wire, we're gonna use a heat gun, and that's pretty much it. Some glue gun and our thumbs. So prepare to get some blisters. So there's the bike, it's 2018 Indian Scout. You can see over here, don't mind my messy garage. Got that side off, came out pretty clean. And then what we're gonna end up doing eventually is putting these guys on, which are these black, or matte black and slime green Indian tank decals that'll go there. So let's go ahead and get this guy off. All right, so I opted to use fishing line instead of dental floss because I watched the guy do it and he said it stood up to the edges here a little bit better. It wasn't breaking as much. So the bike's been out in the sun most of the day. Hopefully that loosened up everything pretty well. But you go ahead and hit it with the heat gun, pass it around, don't let it sit too long. You don't want to go and, you know, F up your paint. I don't think it'll make your tank explode, but should come out pretty easy since it's been out in the sun all day. Start at the bottom. The other side worked out really well, so this side will probably be a pain in my ass. Nope, it's going good. Going quick. Look at that. Fishing line. All right. And you're done. So let's go ahead and do this guy. You are seriously going to blister your fingers on this and your thumbs. So if you've never done an honest day's hard work in your life like me, you could have always worked on a computer. It's a little ouchy. That's right, I said ouchy. I'm a grown ass man, I can say what I want. Yes, fishing line works aces. I'm sure there's better ways to do it. Someone will pop on and say, ooh, you should have done this. That's okay. Here's where I'm at. Literally takes no time. Now, this stuff is a pain in the butt. Whew, that's hot. So now you're just gonna start rubbing, losing your fingers. Some people used, you know, credit cards. Let's give it a try. It didn't really work for me. You heat this shit up a little bit more. Use good old-fashioned loss of flesh. Look, I already got boo-boos on that hand. This thing sucks. It's just gonna be all thumbs. Bye, skin. Anyway, I'll be back with it cleaned up. Owie. Fuck off there. And as you do this, you'll feel spots where it'll start to give on its own and help you out a bit. But this just sucks. Much like dieting though, in the end it'll be worth it. All right, so we've got the badges off. I'm gonna go ahead and put the decals on and probably do a horrible job at it, but just remember, that thing is forever. We can fix it if we screw it up. So let's get started. So I have a clean microfiber towel and I'm gonna use this duster as well once I wipe it down just to make sure there's no hair or anything on it. And this is just gonna be some guesswork. I've never done anything like this before, so you know, if I fuck it up, at least you can see and learn what not to do. So guys, I give it a good wipe down and clean with this. I'm going to give it a dust. Just try not to get any hairs or anything underneath. And apparently what you do is you spray it real good, position this guy, use your little scraper to get the air bubbles and such out, starting from the middle, working your way out, up and down. And then once you get it where you like it, you spray the top and peel that off. So we're gonna peel this off first. I'm gonna screw this up. Shaking. It's like prom night. Word. So I made a little boo-boo here. Ugh, come on. There. Got it. Spray the tank and the sticky part of the decal. Say that's got it. And then position. Good thing is it kind of hangs on when you're doing it. Ooh, slippery little bastard. I think that's about where I like it actually. So now I want to make sure it's the Indian word is leveled in. It's not even close. Back in. Kick up a good bit. Let's try that. So that's about level. Looks okay. I like where it is. So from the middle out. Squeegee in the water. Trying not to make any creases. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, as he says. Oh, fuck, I think. Who knows? Worst case scenario, I'll just order a new set. All right. So now he says, spray the back of the paper tape and peel off the paper tape. Let's fucking see. I think this is gonna be fucked. Come on, don't be fucked. Looks kind of cool so far. Hey, that doesn't look too fucking bad, actually. Yeah. No bubbles. Everything appears to be stuck down. I think that is pretty bitchin'. Oh, what do we got here? All right, well, here's a bit of a walk around. Here's the side. Came out pretty killer.